My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Luminous, whatever, airbrush makeup thing. So I never really had an interest in trying this, and my mom asked me, oh, would you like that airbrush thing, makeup thing? I'm like, no, I don't. Because you have to use their specific foundation and their specific blush and everything. And I don't like products where you can only, buy it from one brand. That's why I have an Android and not an Apple. But do you think she listened to me? No. She got it from me anyways. And I'm like, you know what? I'm like, I'll just try it, make a video, see how I feel about it, and go from there. So maybe that will help someone else if you are interested in maybe getting this. So if you would like to get all the info on this airbrush makeup application system and then see me try it and see my thoughts on it, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright? I don't know how much this thing is. Probably way too much. Like $100. Okay, so let's get right into the demo. I'm going to be trying out the Luminous airbrush makeup kit. So I'm just taking it out of the little cardboard insert. Here is what it looks like. It is connected to a little box, and then that plugs into the wall, and then it sits right in there when you're not using it. So then it also came with, my mom got this for me, but she got medium, and I don't know if these foundations will work for me. So there is Luminous Silk. This is 30 and 40. Illuminator Love. This Luminous Air Blush in Soft Rose. A Lip and Eye Compact. This mascara. I was watching, it comes with a video as well. It's basically a 30-minute long video telling you to not press this lever all the way back and to go in circular motions. Like, how can you say the same thing in so many different ways? And then it also comes with a little guide. So let me see if this color will work for me first. So it says use 6 to 8 drops. I'm just going to spray some of my Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. And I'm going to put some of these, this Lancome Prep and Matte. So let me turn this on. I'm going to put 6 drops of the foundation in this part here. I'm also going to put some of the illuminator, just because I don't think that's going to, I think that might be too dark of a color. So I'm going to try it on my hand. It said to go about like 4 inches away. Oh, actually that might work for me. I don't feel like I see anything. Apparently I don't know how to work it yet. Okay, so it ran out. Let me blend that out. Oh, and it all went away. I guess you're not. Alright, let me, hold on, I'll put some more in there and try it again. Oh, did it all come, how did they all get out? It like got all in my hand. Ah. Yeah, not feeling it. Like, look at that. I mean, I'm sure I'm not doing it right, but that's just not cute. And then it all goes away if I even try to like blend it out. So even if you screw up a little bit, like, it's almost pointless. Yeah, I'll stick with the regular foundation. Guys, so yeah, that wasn't a very pleasant experience. So unless you're going to be doing this like professionally, then I wouldn't recommend spending your money on it. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Bye.